Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Insta360 channel. As I said before, I ordered a new camera for YouTube videos for better quality. So let's start by opening. Okay, so yeah, that's amazing. Let me show you how it's inside. Something like this. So we have these bubbles here that I really enjoy popping it. Okay, let's go to the camera. That's enough. So, we have a camera like this from Insta360 Link 2. Amazing camera. I really like the design and I didn't touch the material, but I believe that it's really good. So we have something like this. A 4K AI powered camera, a webcam. Also, the features of the camera, you have AI tracking. It can record horizontally or vertically. I'm about to open the camera and want to see how is the camera. Is it really small? The material and everything else. We have 4K resolution, AI noise cancelling and true focus. So something like this. You can see everything like this and like this. So let's start by opening the box, the camera that I was really waiting a long time. The question is, why did I order this camera? Because I saw many videos stating that this camera is amazing. If I wanted to buy something superior, it would be a professional camera, and this one can record 4K. It has AI implemented, so a lot of cool features inside of this camera. That's why I chose this one. Let's open this box here. I really enjoy taking out the plastic from the new stuff because it's new, of course. The box like this, it's like a phone box, so I believe the camera is not that big. It's something maybe like this, I don't know. The quality on the videos that I saw, you have a button that you can touch. Also you have the app that you can control the camera and a lot of amazing features. If I don't say I'm happy, I'm lying, because okay, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Let me show you. Something like this. I hope it doesn't fall. So let me grab with my finger. Okay, you have a camera on the top. You have something. Oh, okay, you have the base of the camera. So let's take out the camera and the base and everything that we have in the box, of course. So, also covered in plastic. Everything is covered in plastic because the delivery was amazing. I enjoyed how they packed everything. They wanted to protect my stuff. I'm really grateful for this. So we have a plastic covering the camera, also this part of the camera below. As you see, the camera can go like this. It can go 360, like okay. It's not going maybe because of the plastic, so I'm not going to force it, but I saw the video, it can go like this, all around. Also you can, maybe not like this, maybe you need to go on the app. It's going to record not horizontally, but it's going to be something like this, and you can do stuff like shorts for YouTube, also videos for TikTok, and a lot of other stuff. So let's put it aside. I hope you can see it here. Let's take out the base. The quality is really good. It's like aluminum or something. Also covered in plastic. Everything is in plastic. So let's put it here on the side. Let's take this here. Also, it's showing how you need to place your camera. It's going to be something like this. So you have the camera, you have the base, and you need to... Oh! It has a strong iman. I don't know if it's in English, iman, the thing that has forces, and yeah, I think you know. It's going to be on the top of this metal stuff, aluminum stuff, and if I do like this, it won't drop. so I can try as hard as I want. Maybe I shouldn't do it because if I drop this, it's not cheap. Let's take this thing off. Let's put here. Also, you have, I think it's a manual. Also, you have stickers from Insta. Look at this. Maybe I'll put one on my computer. Let's put here. And we have the last thing on the box. It's the cable. It's not the cable. I forgot how do you call this in English, but I think you know. You just put here the Type-C and you have the Type-A connector. So I'll put it here, and you have the cable, a really long cable, and both of them are Type-C, the beginning and the end. I can connect to my computer. Also, I can connect like this because I have a Type-C one in my computer, so maybe I'll use the Type-C. What we have in the box is one cable Type-C. You have from Type-C to Type-A connector. You have the camera itself. You have the base of the camera that you can connect it. Also, you have stickers like this. And of course, the box itself. I'm going to close it to show you. So you have the box itself. Nothing inside, nothing more. Maybe I'll double check after the video. So that was it, guys. We have the cable, we have all of this stuff inside the box. I'm going to try it. You also will see on my next videos how is the camera, how does it work and everything. I hope you like it because it's 4K. I hope it's a good camera because my previous one, as you know, broke. I made a short about this. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like this camera, my unboxing. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I see you in the next video.